Hi guys, we're here in Spruce Knob and we're gonna do this the trail around the lake. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Are you ready, Sammy?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey.
I want to push the stroller.
Hi.
You can push the stroller, buddy.
Okay.
Easy, 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 easy.
Which one?
Huh?
Which place?
Right here is fine.
Left or right? Left.
The lake. It's a pretty lake. Sammy, easy. Oh, people are fishing today. Yeah, they're going fishing.
And we have one. We are set.
Okay. Hey guys, come here this way.
I think this will be easier in the grass.
Yeah. Oh, it's so pretty. Is it pretty? Yeah. So today we took our jogger stroller since it is gravel. It's probably all the way flat around the lake.
What am I doing? I'm looking, Mommy.
There's the mommy.
Hi. The view is very beautiful.
Sounds like
All
there's a good
those
bit of
pine
water.
trees, huh?
Sounds like there's a good bit of water falling down in there.
Yeah, we could probably find a so serene.
Wow, it is really pretty.
Yeah.
Bear, da, bear, bear.
All right. You guys,
Bear, da, bear, bear.
are you guys ready? For real?
We're gonna drive. That's it.
Okay. As I. Wow, look at that. Baby, look at that view right in the back.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's amazing.
Hey Sammy, let me push it. I will do it for a while.
I wonder what kind of fish you can get from here, baby.
There's probably a sign up. Probably bass, bluegill, catfish.
Yeah, it's so nice to have a peaceful time going fishing. Huh. There's the boat. And there's a boat. That's quiet in here, huh? It's a pretty place. And it's a quiet place too.
Yeah.
Oh, be careful, Sammy. It's a little slick. The bridge is a little slick.
Is that pretty?
Oh, yeah. There are a few people here fishing, but they're scattered around the lake. The hike is probably about a mile around the lake. Look at those evergreens. Wow. Help you? Help me, Mom.
Yeah, Tolu.
Hi.
Hello.
This part of the lake is a little darker.
So pretty.
Full of evergreens. So pretty.
You're so funny, Eli. I love you.
The boardwalk is a little slick today. You want to go fishing too?
Yeah.
Oh, when you're a little bigger.
We can take them. We can take them fishing, I guess. You're the one who likes fishing,
I
though.
do. I like to catch fish. So Spruce Knob is the highest point here in West Virginia.
Yeah, we could have done it the other way around, like the way you planned from the beginning. It probably would have worked to do it the way that you planned, too. But we wouldn't have known to come out on this road without a map.
Right, yeah.
Unless the GPS told us to.
Uh-huh.
We really do need to start looking at maps.
Yes, I agree. I really need to learn how to read maps.
Oh, we should be looking for eagle's nests.
Yeah.
Look for really big bird nests in the tree, Eli.
Yes, so we're trying to find nests in the trees.
Did you hear, Sammy? Look for really big bird's nests in the trees, like this wide. And it may be an eagle's nest.
Spruce Knob Lake is considered the highest lake in West Virginia. It is one of the state's trout fishing destinations. The lake was built in 1952 for fishing. The lake is 23 acres and the West Virginia Division of Natural Resources stocks it with weekly trout stockings from March through May. For beginners, bluegill, sunfish, and smallmouth bass along the shoreline make for fun fishing. If you enjoy winter season, you can go ice fishing, as well as cross-country skiing and snowshoeing. This lake is very beautiful and the view is picturesque.
Well, we're almost at the end of the trail. So it is really not busy. We're the only people who went for a hike this morning. And everybody just went fishing.
For hikers, there is a mile loop around the lake.
Whispering Spruce Trail.
We went to check out the highest point of Spruce Knob. Its elevation is 4,863 feet. With its harsh climate, strong winds are common there, which we felt when we were up there.
It's so pretty up here. I think this is the most evergreen I've seen in my life. It's so pretty.
How to build a mountain. Spruce Mountain is thought to have formed during the collision of the African and North American tectonic plates 250 million years ago. This collision caused the edges of the plates to uplift and fold over themselves. Over time, finer material eroded away and left stronger, more resilient material above, giving you the mountains of today.
You want me to hold you? Okay.
Up. You want to go up there? Wind is strong. Okay, so these are the rocks. Oh my gosh. Wow, Sammy. It is very pretty. It's also windy.
This mountain is part of the Spruce Knob Seneca Rocks National Recreation Area in Monongahela National Forest.
Gosh,
I want Eli to be on me.
it's amazing.
I want Eli to be on his back on me.
You do? Okay, we're going back to the car. It's really windy here and chilly.
On the way down, we stopped by this overlook and we spotted the Nelson Rocks from the distance. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing. Until next time, bye!